welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ashley Sheree. Stop what you're doing right now. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also turn that post notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a video. And if you're returning, welcome back. Don't forget to like and comment. Let's start this journey together. So as you read by the title, today's video is going to be my everyday go-to no makeup look. So I'm not going to hold you guys. Let's get straight into this beat, okay?
Alright, you guys, so I already went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera. Let me know if you want me to do a tutorial on my brows. Also, I went ahead and moisturized my lips with the Fenty Beauty Lip Balm. So for foundation, I used the drugstore Maybelline Fit Me Dewy. I used two different shades. The first shade is going to be the 330 Toffee, and then the next shade is going to be 355 Coconut. Just going to give it a little shake. Then I go ahead and dap a few dots on my hand so that I can go ahead and apply it to my face. Now I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty Blender and just apply the foundation all over my face with a couple of dots. Please don't come for my Beauty Blender. She has been through a lot, but she gets the job done. Then for the coconut foundation, I'm going to do the same thing, but this time I use a different beauty blender because I just didn't want to mix the shades. For this color, it's a little darker, so I don't put as much as I would with the toffee. Next, I go in with that same beauty blender, but on the opposite side, and pat the foundation in. Okay, y'all, so all of my beauty blenders have been through a lot, but again, they get the job done. So next I'm going to take a smaller beauty blender and go ahead and go in with the Toffee foundation right above my brow. So that way my brows can be a little bit more natural because I don't like the way the concealer looks, so I just go in with some foundation just to clean it up a little bit more. So now I'm just going to go in with a makeup wipe and remove the rest of the foundation that was on my hand because now we're going to apply the concealer to the hand as well. For my concealer, I use the LA Girl Pro. I do use two different shades. It's going to be Toffee and Cool Tan. So just like the foundation, we're just going to apply it to the back side of our hand. Give it a good shake. So now I'm going in with an angle brush. This brush can also be used for your brows, but I like to use it to conceal under my eye. Under my eye, I'm going in with the shade Toffee for concealer. I don't really like that much of a highlight under my eye. I like to look a little bit more natural, so I kind of get a shade that matches my skin tone. Y'all, Summer Walker had me feeling like I was that girl. So now that we're done concealing our eyes, we're going to go ahead and move to the top of our forehead. So for my forehead and under my lip and on top of my lip, I like to go in with the brighter shade, which is Cool Tan, because I like a little highlight in those areas. So this next step, I'm going to take a beauty blender that I got from Target. Y'all, I love this beauty blender. I don't know where my life was before I got this beauty blender. So now I'm just going to beat it into my face, of course, everywhere that I concealed. So I don't like to bake. I like to just set the areas that I concealed. I'm going in with the Fit Me Maybelline in the shade 30, medium deep. Now we're just going to tap out some of their product. Oh my gosh, y'all, a lot came out. I was not expecting it. So now I'm going to go ahead and go in with a smaller beauty blender and just dip into the powder. I try not to use that much. This is just me deciding what end I wanted to use. A little bit goes a long way. So now I'm going to just set everything that I concealed. So again, I don't like to bake, so I'm going to let it sit for just a little bit and then remove all the excess. Okay, so now I'm going in with a smaller brush. It's usually used for blush, but y'all, like I said, what works for me is what works for me. So I go in and I just remove all the excess powder. Yeah, it got in my eye a little bit, as you can see. This is just me deciding to put some powder on my nose. I didn't conceal that area, but my nose does tend to get oily. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that powder as well. So far so good. Now let's go ahead and move to eyeshadow. So now I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty eyeshadow. I can't remember what palette that was, but I think it was like limited edition. So once again, I like to look more natural, so I'm going in with more of a brown shade. So now I'm going to take my e.l.f. makeup mist and my Fenty Beauty eyeshadow brush. I'm just going to spray my brush just a little bit so I can pick up some product and rub away any of the extra mist. So now I'm going straight into the eyeshadow palette and tapping off any extra eyeshadow. I like to go in with a more flatter brush when first applying my eyeshadow, just so I can have an even amount of product as a base, and then I go in with a different shadow brush just to blend it. So now I'm going in with my other Fenty Beauty eyeshadow brush. I'm just going to spray it as well with the e.l.f. Wipe away any of the excess mist. So now I'm going to take the brush and go into my eyeshadow palette just to pick up some more product so that way I can blend everything in with this brush. Okay, face, I see you trying to come together. Alright, y'all, so I'm not going to even stunt for the camera. I do not know how to apply false lashes, so I just get lash extensions. So now I'm going in and brushing my lash extensions. So now I'm going in and removing the lip balm that I had to moisturize my lips. Your girl almost forgot highlight, so now I'm going in with the shade Sandcastle by Fenty Beauty for highlight. Now I'm taking my highlight brush, just misting it. So for highlight, I like to highlight my nose. Also, I like to highlight right above my cheekbone. And just a little bit above my lip. So for my lips, I like to go in with the NYX Matte Lip Liner in the shade Medium Brown. So I'm going to line the top and the bottom. and then go ahead and apply the Fenty Beauty Lip Balm. Y'all, this stuff is amazing. And finally, I go ahead and mist my face with the e.l.f. mist. Now I'm just going to fan my face. This really doesn't do anything. It's just extra, honestly. And just like that, we're done. Super cute, super easy, everyday go-to technique. Especially if you're a beginner or someone like me that likes a easy, simple, natural beat, not too much, still natural, everyday look.
So that pretty much wraps up this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also turn on that post notification bell. You can follow me on my Instagram at Ashley Sheree and on my TikTok at Ashley Sheree, or on my Snapchat a.ashley with 3 Y's. That's AYE.ASHLEYYY. I really hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next video.